Hello everyone! Today we're going to paint acrylic painting of beautiful bamboos, okay? Let's start. And today we need black color, white, green, a little bit yellow, okay? Let's start prepare our canvas or paper with light gray still, okay? Just cover the page full of it and wait until it's dry. We'll come back for the painting. Alright, prepare yourself. Today we're going to have a lot of important tips to learn, okay? Alright, here all dried. Find a brush like this one. We start with dark green, okay? We're going to do the bamboo. We start with some dark green. Just get a touch of it black color and mix into the green, okay? I suggest that you get just a little bit first and then mix into the green to see if the color is correct for you, alright? And the first layer, we just do the shape. That's all. You see, like this one, okay? And then leave a spot in between. Yeah. You see that? Yeah, like that one, okay? Remember, while you're painting, you always switch the position of the brush to get comfortable to do different shapes in a different area, okay? See, like here, we do the in between the two bamboo parts. That part is a little bigger. You see, I switch the side of the brush to get that shape, alright? Alright, here we change to a small brush like this one, alright? Pointy one, and try to get a smaller one because we're going to do the leaves. Alright, watch here. So you press the brush a little bit and then lift up the brush, and then the end is very pointy, okay? Bamboo leaves are very pointy, so you see here I'm slowing down because the slowing down and the hands can shake a little bit, and then sometimes you need to go back to shape up a little bit. If you go faster, it will be the shape, it will look better, okay? It's no problem you go back to shape up, okay? So painting is like that. It's nobody perfect in the first time. So remember, add some water in your paint. That will be easier for getting the pointy bamboo leaves. Remember, if too fast here and then you want to take a little more time, you just pause it or go back and forth to watch this part again. It is important how you use the brush to shape out the leaves. So actually, you decide where to put the leaves, and if you're not sure, you can draw them first with a pencil or something, alright? To just say, oh, here's a leaf, there's a leaf, and there's a bamboo, okay? Alright, here we switch to the thinnest brush that you can find, okay? And add some water to thinner the paint. And we're going to do the part in between the bamboo parts. Call it the knot part, okay? It's a little bit thicker than the other place of the bamboo. So we're going to shape up here and make it a little wider with the brush, alright? You see, I make an angle there. And then also the top part is also doing the same thing, alright? Good. Yeah, all of them. There's a few bamboo, we do all the parts have this. So just like that, and then still leave in between a little spot between the two parts, alright? See, it's just like this. And use the thin brush. The important is to add some water to thinner your paint, okay? So that way you can get very thin lines. And then also you shape up the edge of the bamboo. We're going to do that and take a little time to do this, alright? Alright, this brush, if you want to do a straight line on the edge, and you do is push the brush down to the halfway and then use the same pressure, okay? Just pull it. You see that? And then you will get the same thick line, okay? Okay, now our bamboo shape is set, alright? And we change back to the small brush we have used. And now we get some light color in. And use yellow mixed into the green And then we just need to do in the middle of the bamboo, okay? And then the outside edge still leave the dark color. Yeah, you see that? And then gently brush down the color, so not fully covered, okay? You still can see through the dark color. And this way, you see it will become like the bamboo in the middle. It's kind of round. You give it the shape, okay? And you see now I get even lighter color in, but this time don't put it everywhere. Just here a spot lighter, there a spot lighter. You see that? And then after you add these details in, and then the bamboo look much clear, alright? Yeah, and do that, and then add a little bit touch on the knot we have put on the bamboo, okay? And you see like this part, I put a little bit, you can just use a touch of yellow and use the top of the brush. Just draw very thin lines and drag it into the bamboo, alright? It's important to add light in, alright? Yeah, take a little time to add these small details and then you will see the difference, alright? Okay, here we get some white color. We're going to do the light highlights into the bamboo, okay? And this one even less the one we put before. Just few part on the bamboo, alright? You make some long lines go through the whole bamboo part, and then some are very short lines, maybe only appears here and there, alright? It's important, watch carefully here where I add the lights in. So that give the round shape of the bamboo, alright? And then also the knot we need to add a little bit in too. Right here, just use the tip top of the brush, get a little bit white. You see I do super thin lines. So if you cannot do it with this brush, and then you can change to a smaller one, the thinner brush, okay? And you see I'm not covering everywhere. I just put here and there a little touch of it, okay? You see that give the lights up, okay? And this is the final touch of the bamboo. So very important step, okay? So just make sure that if you cannot control this brush and do it too thick, and you change to a smaller one, alright? And then see now our bamboo look much better, alright? And we switch to the thinner brush. We're going to do the stamps, okay, or bushes of the bamboo, the smaller one, okay. And this one you can just draw a line up, and then later on you put a few knots in between, so it's not that clear as the thicker bamboo, alright. And then remember you need to connect the bamboo leaves that you have drawn, alright, with some smaller bushes goes out here and there. Yeah. Just like that, alright? And the bushes are not need everyone that's connected in the same one, okay? You can draw here and there, stick it out a few, alright? And later on we can go add a few leaves to fix the normal looking ones, okay? So no problem. Here, take a little time to do all the leaves, okay? And how many leaves are there is it depends on you. You decide how many there are, okay? So no problem, take your time to finish the painting, alright? Here I think I add too many leaves in. So if you do yours, you can just add only a few leaves, okay? So that will make the whole paint look better, alright? It's okay. So you don't do it, you don't like it, it's not successful, and then you can redo it, no problem, okay? As long as you know how to do the leaves and the bamboo and the bushes, and that's all. And how to design the picture look better, and that it take a little time to learn all that, and then you take a little practice, okay? Okay, this part I would like to show you how to draw the knot on the bamboo, okay? The smaller bushes. So you actually just use your pen, stuck there for a little while, so you will get a thicker. You make like a knot on it, okay? and go ahead and spend your time to make them look better. Alright, here watch again. We do the little thicker ones here, okay? Yeah, remember I said you want to get a super straight line, you put the brush down, push to the halfway of the brush, okay? And then you get a straighter line. Use the point of the brush to make the angle for the, yeah, you see, for the nuts. You see that? Yeah, you shape up and then they look like bamboo. There's no details on the smaller one, okay? It's just the same color. And then we add a little bit light color leaves in later on to give some light. That's it. On the top of the bushes part, and then use the small brush to add a few small leaves to cover up a little bit, okay? So here I get some light color to add in a few light leaves to make a little bit contrast in between all those leaves. So that gives the picture a little bit better looking, okay? And that's last touch of the whole picture, alright? And then you see here we just add in a little bit on certain leaves, not needed all of them, alright? Yeah, you see I add a few smaller ones here and there. In today's lesson, we actually cover so many little details in. So you may save the video and back and forth watch part of it to learn different things, okay? The important thing to enjoy the painting, okay? It's not force yourself. If you feel tired, you can take a break, okay? Especially picture like this, you have a lot of leaves and a lot of small things to put in, okay? It takes time, and then be patient. So if you take a break and then come back and do it again, all right? Okay, we almost done here. And if you like my video, and remember subscribe, and then hit the bell, the red bell, okay? And so if I have a new video upload, and then you will get a notification. And also you can go back check my other videos, okay, to learn new things, different type of stuff, okay? And together we can build up our painting skills. And if you think my painting videos is helpful, and you can share with your friends, all do together have more fun, okay? Remember, sign your name. This is your art. I'll see you in my next video, alright? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.